Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Venus to Mars female urination device. This is not a sponsored review. I'm getting nothing for this. I just want to share my honest opinion and experience with this product. So, I don't know about y'all, but I can't tell you how many times I have been caught out on the go and have had to go to the bathroom, but couldn't get there because either I'm by myself and with my two children who are really little, or incontinence. I can't hold it, y'all. It's so bad. Like, even before having kids it was bad, but after having kids it just got even worse. Now my babies are blessings and I love them, but y'all, the struggle is real. It's real. Now, normally I'd have to discreetly pop a squat somewhere, and ladies, you practically have to twerk just to pee. No longer the case. So, it's designed like a funnel. It is smooth plastic, and you can hear it. Firm. It's pretty firm. It's not really bendy or anything. I'll give y'all a close-up view of it. The design and the way that you use this device. Molly Dolly, can you please do a demonstration for us? Thank you. The way that you use this device, you just pull down your pants or whatever you have there, or lift up your skirt, whatever it is. Put the device in the middle between your legs, just like that. Make sure you scoop back far enough so that you get all your area covered that needs to be covered. Press up firmly against your body, not enough to leave an imprint or anything, just so that you know you're good. And release. Release in the woods, in the toilet, wherever. Stand up and pee, whatever you want to do. And when you are finished, you just want to press up gently and wipe it away upward. And you don't need any toilet paper or anything. Let it finish dripping and store it away. Typically, you want to wash it with warm water and soap when you are done with it. But if that's not available at the moment, then what I do is take a piece of paper towel or whatever you have handy, wipe it down, twirl it around, and store it in the little carrying case. By the way, it does come with a carrying case. And you're done. You're ready for your next use. Now, I store mine in my glove compartment, but just put it somewhere where you know it's going to be handy. You can leave it in your purse, glove compartment, take it camping with you. If you don't like it, there's a 100% guarantee to get your money back. I got mine off of the Amazon and it was $11.99. I have a Prime membership, so it came in 2 days, right on time, and I have used it since then, and it works great. It works great. My clothes are not wet. I didn't have to pull down my pants all the way. I didn't have to twerk to pee. I didn't have to do any of that. It was awesome, and I just felt so accomplished. This is what it looks like for the urine to pass through. Let's do a more urine. And here's our Venus to Mars. Here is our urine. Actually, let's slow it down. So. And yeah. So you see how it doesn't come up the sides or anything. Yes, that is pee. Good job, buddy. Doesn't get anywhere. And when you're finished, let it finish dripping. shake, shake. That's all. I would recommend keep a bottle handy, like an empty bottle or even just a water bottle in the car or a cup or something where you can go if you're one of those who just has to go wherever you at. And typically, you could go in the car, whatever it is you have to do. Just have something you need. Or even go in a bag if you have to. I don't know. Now, I have researched other funnel, urinal, female type devices, and I decided on the Venus to Mars because of the sleek design. It's purple and it has a carrying bag that's really cute. The other designs were made more like a cup, and they were a bendy material, and it looks like it had a little, like, I don't know, a smaller funnel that was completely circulated that you can aim if you need to. But there's just a lot going on with that one. And I was reading the reviews. A lot of women were saying that it was more prone to make a mess because of the design, I guess. But I don't know. I don't have that one. I decided on this one and I'm happy with it. So I won't be purchasing another one. So if you are looking for a white elephant Christmas gift, gag gift, baby shower gift, or you just need it, this is a great option. The Venus to Mars female urination device. Thanks for watching my video. I welcome you to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment below. I'll talk to you later. Bye.